What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be checking out the 2024 on-up Polaris XP1000 non-turbo model E-valve exhaust. All right, guys, this is a full 2.5-inch design, free-flowing header. We've changed up some of the mandrel bends, moved our 2-to-1 to increase torque, and of course, the E-valve. So guys who want, that tame stock muffler sound, and they want to hit a switch and make it bark a little, we've got you covered. So this is a full TIG welded stainless steel design with a wire flex pipe. Of course, our E-valve on it, we're retaining the stock heat shields. We have the option to replace all of your gaskets when you do this, which we highly recommend. The manifold gasket and the muffler gasket. We include high grade hardware because our flanges are a little bit thicker than the factory ones. The reason is that on the XP1000s, they've always had manifold issues where they crack up near like the manifold itself. So first portion of it's cast stainless, no cracking issues. Like cleaning all that up was like a huge deal for us because we kind of knew in the past what the XP1000s were doing because we have offered these headers in the past for the previous model XP1000s. Of course, Polaris did a major facelift on the XP1000, so that required a new E-valve, new muffler, and we even did a new clutch fan. So you can peek around over here. This is a stock muffler on this one, but if you want to check out our other videos, of course we do have the muffler video. That's actually what we're getting ready to film next today. So got the clutch fans. This is the E-valve exhaust. I know you guys are here for the sound clips. Let me hop in, show you what it's about.